Now let's see the addition and subtraction of a fraction. In that now we will see addition and subtraction of unlike fraction. Previously we have seen for the like fraction. So let's see in your textbook. We have learned to add and subtract like fractions. It is also not very difficult to add fractions that do not have the same denominators. When we have to add or subtract fractions, we first find equivalent fractions with the same denominator. Means whatever unlike fractions are given to you, that you have to first convert into the like fractions by making the denominator same. Means you are finding the equivalent fraction of that particular given unlike fraction. Suppose you are given an example. What should be added to 1 by 5, which gives you 1 by 2? Means what we have to do? We have to take the subtraction of 1 by 5 from 1 by 2 to get the answer. Now here both the fractions are unlike fractions. So what we have to do? We have to convert them into the like fractions by taking LCM or finding the equivalent fractions. Okay, so let's see how to do this. So what is given? 1 by 5. Subtract 1 by 5 from 1 by 2. So what we have to do here? Here 5 is there, 2 is there. So we have to convert them into like fractions. For that we have to find the LCM, take the denominator same. So by which number you have to multiply 1 by 5? So 1, 5 multiplied by 2, we are finding the equivalent fraction, that is 2 by 10. For 1 by 2, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So these two are the equivalent fractions. 2 by 10 is for 1 by 5 and 5 by 10 is for 1 by 2. Now take the subtraction. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 5, sorry. So for 1 by 2 what you have to write? 5 by 10. Minus for 1 by 5 what you have to write? 2 by 10. Now do the subtraction. 5 minus, now this both the fractions are like fractions. So 5 minus 2 divided by 10, which is equal to 3 by 10. So this is our answer. So this way we can do the subtraction for unlike fractions. We have to convert them into like fractions, or we have to find the equivalent fraction so that these denominators become same. After converting them into like fraction, it is very easy to do the subtraction. So this way we can do the subtraction, and this way also we can do the addition. Okay, let's see for the addition. Let's see few examples to understand the concept better. Subtract. See the solve example 8. Subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. When such kind of questions are there, from is there. So you have to consider this term first. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. So we have to solve 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. So here we have to make the denominators same. For that we have to take LCM of 6 and 4. So LCM is equal to what? 12. You know how to find the LCM. So I will not explain that now. That parts that you already learned in 4th standard, how to find the LCM. Okay, that also we have done in the previous chapter. Okay, so now we have to make the denominators 12. So to make the denominators 12, by which number we have to multiply? So we will find the equivalent fraction for 5 by 6, in which denominator is 12. Same way we will find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4, in which the denominator is 12. So let's see. So 5 by 6 is equal to, by which number we have to multiply? 2. So 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Same for 3 by 4. By which number we have to multiply? 3. So 3 by 3. So 3 3s are 9 divided by 12. So now the equivalent fraction of 5 by 6 is 10 by 12. 3 by 4 is 9 by 12. Now do the subtraction. So therefore 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 10 by 12 minus 9 by 12, which is equal to 10 minus 9 divided by 12, which is equal to 1 by 12. So this is our subtraction of 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 12. Move on to the ninth question. Here we will do the addition. So add 2 by 5 to 1 by 3. So what we have to do? 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Here also we have to find the LCM. We know the LCM of 5 and 3 is what? 15. 5 is a 15. So now we want to find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 in which the denominator is 15. So by which number we have to multiply? 3. So 3 2 is 6, 5 is 15. Same way we find the equivalent fraction for 1 by 3. By which number we have to multiply? 5. So 5 is 5, 5 is 15. So 6 by 15 is an equivalent fraction for 2 by 5 and 5 by 15 is for 1 by 3. Now do the addition. So 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 6 by 15 plus 5 by 15 is equal to 6 plus 5 divided by 15 is equal to 11 by 15. So what is our answer? 11 by 15. So this way we can do the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay. Next we will see addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. How to do the addition of mixed fraction as well as subtraction of mixed fractions. So let's see.